Welcome to AI Discovery Channel. Join us today as we explore the ever-expanding world of AI, where the positive and negative effects of this amazing technology need to be taken seriously. If you'd like to see an incredible advancement in AI that is likely to change the face of human history forever, then please keep watching till the end of this video and we will reveal all. Envision a world where the lines between reality and fiction are obsolete, where your intimate details are always under attack and your job may well be taken by a machine. What if the very technology that promises to revolutionize our lives also manipulates our thoughts and reshapes the way we learn? How do we explore this brave new world, and what ought we to know to remain ahead of the curve? In this video, we'll divulge the mysteries of AI, uncover its darker side, and provide you the tools to secure yourself and your family so you can flourish within the age of artificial intelligence. Let's begin. Artificial intelligence encompasses both positive and negative aspects. On the positive side, AI brings about automation that streamlines repetitive tasks, thus boosting efficiency and freeing up human resources for more creative endeavors. It's a powerful tool for processing vast datasets rapidly, revealing patterns and insights that might elude human analysis. In decision-making, AI's ability to sift through massive amounts of information can lead to more informed choices while mitigating human errors and biases. Personalization is another forte, as AI tailors experiences to individual preferences in fields like online shopping and entertainment. Furthermore, AI fuels innovation, holding the potential to reshape sectors such as healthcare and transportation with groundbreaking solutions. Conversely, the rise of AI also presents several concerns. The automation that AI enables could disrupt traditional job markets, causing unemployment and necessitating skill transitions. Bias within AI systems, stemming from biased training data, can perpetuate discrimination in domains like hiring and lending. Privacy becomes a focal point as AI's reliance on data collection raises fears of breaches and surveillance. Dependence on AI might erode human decision-making abilities, and ethical quandaries emerge around AI deployment in areas like weaponry and the treatment of AI entities. Economic disparities could widen as AI benefits are unevenly distributed, and security risks arise with the potential misuse of AI technology for malicious purposes. To harness the potential of AI while addressing its downsides, careful management and regulation are essential. Before we get into the 7 topics that you must be aware of in this new era of technological advancement, it would be of great help to us if you could like and subscribe, as it enables us to spread the word about the positives and negatives of AI to others. 1. Ethical considerations. Ethical issues arise when AI decisions impact human lives. As AI systems make autonomous choices, it's vital to ensure these choices align with ethical values. Issues like bias in AI, where algorithms inadvertently discriminate against certain groups due to biased training data, need to be addressed. Ensuring that AI technologies respect human rights, promote fairness, and avoid harm is essential. If you suspect that you have been a victim of bias in AI, then you should report it straight away and make your case on the basis of information such as that found in this video. 2. Data privacy. AI systems often require large amounts of data to learn and improve. This data might include personal information, which raises concerns about how data is collected, stored, and used. Organizations must prioritize data privacy, implement strong encryption, and adhere to data protection regulations. Individuals should be cautious about sharing personal data and choose services that prioritize user privacy. 3. Algorithmic bias. AI systems learn from historical data, and if that data contains biases, the AI can perpetuate those biases in its decisions. Recognizing and addressing bias is critical to prevent unfair outcomes, particularly in areas like hiring, lending, and criminal justice. Developing diverse and representative training datasets and implementing fairness-aware algorithms are steps towards reducing algorithmic bias. Try to implement this in your working environment if you have the ability to do so. 4. Transparency. AI often operates as a black box, making decisions without clear explanations. This lack of transparency can be problematic, especially when critical decisions are made by AI systems. Efforts to develop explainable AI aim to provide insights into how AI reaches its conclusions. Transparent AI is vital for accountability, trust building, and ensuring that decisions can be scrutinized. If you experience clear AI transparency issues, then you must report it straight away and make clear to the company or government department involved that the issue must be addressed. 5. Job disruption and reskilling. As AI and automation evolve, certain jobs might be automated, leading to concerns about job displacement. Preparing for these changes involves embracing lifelong learning and reskilling to remain adaptable in a changing job market. Education and training programs should focus on skills that complement AI, such as problem-solving, creativity, and complex decision-making. Analyze your job and decide if the longevity of it is sustainable or if you could be sidelined by AI. If you think that AI could replace you, then you may need to make a bold decision before it's too late. 6. Cybersecurity concerns. AI systems are vulnerable to cyber attacks that could compromise their functionality or use them maliciously. As AI becomes more integral to critical systems, like autonomous vehicles or healthcare devices, ensuring robust cybersecurity is paramount. This involves regular security audits, encryption, and vigilant monitoring to prevent unauthorized access and manipulation. Make sure that all of the companies and products that you interact with have the highest cybersecurity standards. 7. Regulation and governance. Governments and organizations are grappling with how to regulate and govern AI technologies. Balancing innovation with safeguards requires the development of appropriate laws, policies, and standards. Participating in discussions around AI governance, advocating for responsible practices, and staying informed about regulatory developments are crucial for shaping the responsible use of AI. We must all do our bit in this rapidly changing landscape. In summary, the age of AI presents both exciting possibilities and complex challenges. Embracing AI's potential while being aware of these key points will help ensure a safer and more ethical integration of AI into our lives. It's a collective effort that involves developers, policymakers, businesses, and individuals working together to harness AI's benefits while minimizing its risks. As promised, the incredible advancement in AI that is likely to change the face of human history forever that we mentioned earlier in the video is called ChatGPT. It understands and generates human-like text, based on the input it receives. It can engage in conversations, answer questions, provide explanations, generate text in various styles, and perform a wide range of language-related tasks. It's trained on a diverse range of text from the internet and can simulate natural language interactions with users, making it useful for tasks like generating content, providing assistance, and more. ChatGPT has the potential to change the world by revolutionizing human-computer interactions and vastly enhancing the effectiveness and efficiency of human work practices. If you want to gain more insight into this revolutionary technology, then click the video on the screen now. Thanks for watching.